Hi kids, good morning, Sai Ram. I'm Megha Miss, your craft teacher here. So today we are going to make a very different type of craft. You will like it, even you will find it very interesting to make. So our today's topic is spring craft. So here we are going to make a spring. For that you will need some colorful strips of paper. So if you don't have colorful strips, you can make by your own also. How, I will tell you. On white color paper you can draw strips and color it of your own, means any color you can give multicolor and cut that strips. So like this way you can make colorful strips at your home by yourself. Okay, so with this activity you can decorate your house. You can use it anywhere. You can keep this in your showcase or hang somewhere. Like this you can decorate your house with this craft activity. So here we go. I will tell how you can make it. So our today's topic is spring craft. Okay, so here we need to cut a circle and some colorful strips. So the size of the circle I'm writing here, which size you have to cut. It is 10 centimeter. See very carefully, it is 10 centimeter diameter. Okay, so this size of circle you have to cut on white color paper. Okay, then I will tell you the size of the strips. So size of the strip is 10 centimeter by 1.5 centimeter. So size of the strip is 10 by 1.5 centimeter. Like this colorful strips. You can use any color of your own. So we will start our today's activity. What we have to do. So here again I am telling you what you have to use. You have to use one circle cutout, then some colorful strips, scissors and Fevicol. Now here first we will stick our strips. All the strips first we will stick. See how at one end apply Fevicol and other end stick to it. Like this first we will stick all the strips, then we will stick on our circle. Okay, so hold it for some time like this, then take another strip, again apply Fevicol at one end, then stick another end to it, hold it for some time, then only it will be sticked properly like this. Otherwise it will get open if you will not hold it like this. Take any color of your choice. Like this. See, like this it will get open. For that you have to hold it for some time after applying Fevicol. So all the strips I have sticked like this. So how we are going to stick on your circle I am showing. So first on the border of the circle apply Fevicol Apply Fevicol all over the border, only on the border of the circle, like this. Then take any color first, stick it little part of our shape. See how much I have done. Take another color and stick. See, don't leave any gap between each strip. Let it be continue. Go on sticking all the strips, but keep in mind there should not be any gap between each strip. If gap is there, it will not look nice. Okay, so take any color and like this, stick it. So like this, go on sticking all over the border with the colorful strips. I have already done. So see, it is looking nice. So like this, if you will do, then only it will look nice, and then only it will give a look of spring. So don't leave any gap between each strip. See, back side I have done a smiley face with the help of the sketch pens. You can also do like this smiley face with the help of sketch pens, or you can here stick something else also, like your photo or any scenery. Anything else also you can stick. So it's looking very nice, right? So we have done. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.